My name is Sudhir. I'm Ananya's father, a proud father, I must say. I get this opportunity because of her. Stand here and speak on behalf of her of what she has achieved. All I can say that she has been an inspirational child. Normally it is like parents inspire the children, but here it's been the other way around. Ananya has always inspired me and all of us in the family, and I feel the never say die attitude that Ananya has been tremendous, and she's got a great potential that she's achieved such a brilliant marks in this 10th grade. I would like to thank UT to provide structured and very aggressive test papers, test series, which is available online as well as offline. We chose the offline method because that will give us more discipline, and the child like Ananya or any other child to practice and write during exams, because that is what counts on that crucial day. Writing on time and completing the paper on time, that's what UT test series gave us. Thank you so much. And Ananya, keep inspiring all. Thank you.